Hi, it's Mark here. Hi there. What we're going to do is have a wee look at this spreadsheet where we are going to use relative referencing. Now, explanation of relative referencing. You'll see it when we put a formula in and how we want to fill it down the way. Now, this works either whether you fill down the column or you fill across a row, or even when you copy and paste nowadays within Microsoft Excel. So what we've got is a spreadsheet where we've got the employee has worked a certain amount of hours in a week and has got an hourly pay. So we're going to multiply the hours worked by the hourly pay. So very simple and basic, it's a very basic calculation. So I prefer to click on the cell so you get the cell reference rather than typing it in. I prefer it to be visual. So I'm going to click on the first cell there, so it's B2 multiplied by C2. The operators for Microsoft Excel are slash for divide, an asterisk as you can see for multiplication, subtraction, just your usual, the minus sign, and addition is the plus sign. Always hit enter. Now by default, it moves down to the next cell underneath. Don't worry about the calculation we've got over there. I've already used it there. This is to show you how we can fill this in, because each of these cells are blank and we don't have anything in there at the moment. The way in which I've done it is that this cell here adds up those two cells. So what we'll do is just show you here, and you can see what I've done elsewhere and how it all comes pretty quickly thereafter. So relative referencing at the moment we have equals B2 multiplied by C2 in the formula. When we fill this down, to fill down is the bottom right hand corner of the cell, you click and drag. So as we are coming down a row, the cell references that we've used within that formula that we're copying down, that they're filling down, they will change relative to the movement, to the adjustment of us moving away from the cell. So we will now expect it to be 3 multiplied by C3. And we'll see that in a minute. So like I said, the top cell there is B2 multiplied by C2. As we move down a row, the row changes from 2 to 3. B3 multiplied by C3. Row 4, 5, 6, 7. And that will work for anywhere at all within Excel. It's relative to you having moved. It's relative referencing. Hope that helps. I'm going to do another video in a minute and put this onto YouTube as well. And this video, what it will do is it will show you absolute referencing. So at the moment, I've used relative referencing for the wages there and also for the total payment. What we're going to do is we'll multiply a bonus in there. And this is where we need to know the difference between relative referencing and absolute referencing. So the video for absolute referencing is available too. Hope you've enjoyed this one, and I hope this helps you understand about relative referencing within Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Bye just now.